Hello everyone, my name is Karla. Welcome to Cooking with Karla. I am a nutritionist that works for Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, where I help patients eat better and eat well before, during, and after cancer treatments. And we are partnering with Urban Health Plan. Urban Health Plan is a network of community health centers in the Bronx, Center, Harlem, and Corona, Queens. And today we're in their fabulous kitchen. We're making smoothies. So get ready. We're gonna make a tropical fruit smoothie and a peanut butter and chocolate smoothie. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with our tropical green smoothie, and especially in the summer month, this is great. We're gonna use mango and pineapple. If you have them frozen is best for that nice creamy texture. And we're gonna use half of a banana, spinach, yogurt, and we're gonna use some juice. I'm using pineapple juice and a little bit of water. For the ingredients, you can switch it up. You can use other tropical fruits that you like, and you can use other greens. It's important when you're making a smoothie with fruits, especially if you are someone who has diabetes or trying to manage or maintain a healthy weight. It's important to balance your smoothies with something that will give you some protein. And in this case, we're gonna use yogurt. You can also use cottage cheese or your favorite protein powder or nuts and seeds, but for this one, yogurt goes very well. Another reason why the protein is important is because it sort of anchors the sugar of the fruits. Especially tropical fruits tend to be a little sweeter, and there's nothing wrong with that. But we do want to make sure we're not using large amounts and that we're balancing it out with some protein, because the protein will help anchor the sugar in the fruit, and you won't get elevated sugar right away. Also, the spinach will add some extra fiber, which also delays the digestion of the sugar. Okay, so let's do this. We're gonna start with the liquid. I'm gonna add half a cup of pineapple juice. Again, you can use any juice that you prefer. You can also skip the juice. We're gonna do half a cup. And we're gonna do half a cup of water. I like to add the liquid first because that helps sort of make sure that it adds some lubrication to the blade and nothing gets stuck there. And then we have half a cup of frozen mangoes or fresh mangoes, and half a cup of frozen or fresh pineapple, and we have half a cup of plain yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt or whatever plain yogurt that you have. You can also use vanilla yogurt, will go well here. Make sure you get everything there. And then we're gonna add half of a banana. If you can freeze the bananas, that'll be amazing, because that also adds a creamy texture to the smoothie. We're just gonna use half of this. And we're gonna add our spinach. I'm gonna add about a cup of, this is baby spinach. You can also use kale, you can also use regular spinach, whatever is your favorite green. And now we blend. Perfect. Let's move these away. Yum, I'm so excited to taste this. I hope you make it and you make it your own. It's really delicious. I hope you enjoy these recipes and I hope you make them your own. Thank you so much to Urban Health Plan for letting us use this beautiful space, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!